Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Gmail offline and resolve LinkedIn Outreach draft sync, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Gmail offline access, start by opening your preferred web browser. Sign in to your Gmail account if you haven't already. Locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. Navigate to the Offline tab within the set. Uncheck the option that says Enable Offline Mail. Confirm that you want to disable offline access by clicking Save Changes. Next, clear any cache or data associated. Now, close your browser and reopen it to ensure changes take effect. For resolving LinkedIn Outreach draft sync issues, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Go to the messaging section from your LinkedIn home. Locate the drafts folder within your messages. Check if any drafts are stuck or not syncing properly. Refresh the page to see if the drafts appear correctly. If issues persist, log out of your LinkedIn account. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then log back in. Review your drafts again to confirm that they sync properly. If the drafts are still not syncing, consider updating your browser to the latest version. You can also try accessing LinkedIn from a different browser or device. If problems continue, consider reaching out to LinkedIn support for further assistance. After following these steps, you should be able to successfully uninstall Gmail offline access and resolve LinkedIn Outreach draft sync issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.